Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to control enemy crowd control in Overwatch. Stay mindful of your positioning to avoid getting caught in CC abilities. Utilize shields and barriers to block incoming CC. Time movement abilities to dodge CC abilities. Position yourself behind tanks to avoid direct exposure to enemy crowd control. Use Anna's biotic grenade to cleanse and prevent healing denial effects of enemy crowd control. Activate Zenyatta's Transcendence to provide immunity to crowd control and burst healing to allies. Use Sombra's hack to disable enemy abilities, including crowd control abilities. Use Diva's defense matrix to eat incoming projectiles, including crowd control abilities like Roadhog's hook. Use Lucius sound barrier to provide shields that can absorb crowd control effects like Earth Shatter. Use Moira's fade ability to escape from dangerous situations involving crowd control. Use Bridget's shield bash to stun enemies attempting to use crowd control abilities. Use Symmetra's teleporter to quickly move out of the range of enemy crowd control. Use Zarya's projected barrier to protect teammates from incoming crowd control. Use Orisa's Fortify ability to prevent moving impairing effects and reduce damage taken. Use Winston's Barrier Projector to block enemy crowd control abilities. Use May's Ice Block to become immune to crowd control and heal yourself. Use stuns or knockbacks to interrupt Reinhardt charge. Use Roadhog's Take a Breather to heal through crowd control and reduce its impact. And that's how to counter enemy crowd control in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.